asparagus processing plant harnesses the golden hour, transforming the raw spears into a polished product for global markets.
The delicate triangular scales and subtle ridges of the Asparagus here are highlighted here, showcasing the
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. These asparagus are rapidly cooled to precisely 2 degrees Celsius to
Okay, so in 30.
Welcome to the Next Gen facility, where we process over 500 spears of asparagus every minute with unparalleled precision.
Here at the plant, green and white asparagus are processed on separate lines, maintaining a constant
Utilizing advanced sensor fusion, the system analyzes color uniformity and internal structure at incredible speeds.
This automated system sorts the crop with surgical precision. The thinnest spears are separated first, while the thickest continue to the end of the line.
Using laser precision, the system measures each spear, ensuring uniform length before the robotic arms gently group them into bundles.
Using advanced optical sensors, the system identifies the precise point where the tender spear meets the tough, woody.
The blanched and cooled spears are meticulously arranged on trays, separating the loose retail product from
The rapid freezing prevents large ice crystals from damaging the cell structure, preserving the asparagus quality.
This next-generation freezing process ensures that every spear of asparagus remains perfectly preserved, rigid, and vibrant.
To ensure peak freshness, we maintain a constant 4 degrees Celsius, integrating meticulous hand packing with high-volume automation.